Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to switch a personal account to business account on Instagram. For example, if you have a personal account and you want to run business account on Instagram, so how you can switch your personal account to business account. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app. Now if you want to open a business account on Instagram, then you have to simply switch your account to professional account, because now Instagram account, professional account, is also a business account. So if you want to switch it, then you have to simply click on that three lines here. You will find the settings and activity, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of account type and tools. So in account types and tools, you will find the option of switch to professional account. So here you can simply click on that, and after that, as you click on professional account, it will ask you to provide details of what kind of account you want to run. So you can simply click on that, and there is all option available whether you want to show it on your account or not, that you want to create an account for the professional or not. So in this way, you can simply click on professional account, switch to professional account, and your account will be converted to professional. And also it is a business account, so you can simply run ads through it and also run campaigns of your business on that account. So in this way, you can simply switch to business account simply on the Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.